So the thing is that you actually want to learn real-time VFX for Unreal Engine, but you might not be aware of it yet. Hi, I'm Lush, and this is Clevender, the academy in which you'll be learning how to create amazing VFX. But first, you need to understand the bare bones, the basics of the game engines that you'll be using on a daily basis to do that and to land your first job. Or maybe you are an experienced VFX Unity artist that wants to make the switch to Unreal Engine, which is pretty common nowadays. Unreal Engine is a pretty powerful engine. It's got like real-time applications, but not only for video games, but also for like reality shows, like extended reality. Actually, there have been assets of mine from the Splatoon study that I did, which were like paint splashes and whatnot, that were actually used on a real go-karting type of, circuit. And it was like, it was pretty crazy because I felt, seeing that, I felt like, hey, my effects are not only being used for games, but also for like, real life. It feels super real to use Unreal. So what you'll learn in this course is how to create your Epic Games account, which is important. You might already have an Epic Games account because everybody has played Fortnite by now. I guess it's 2025, so you should have played Fortnite by now. And if you don't have one, I'm going to teach you how to create one. Also, how to download the Epic Games launcher, which is like the basic hub you will be using to install Unreal Engine versions, and your vault and assets and files and projects and everything, like how to actually create a project from scratch, use the templates. What are those templates all about? Because most users might not even know how's the basic workflow for creating actually like a real Unreal Engine project. And that's super important because I want you to be able to understand those whenever I'm referring to those specific things while creating the actual VFX courses. So enjoy this free course. It's super easy. You'll get a grasp on how to create your first project ready for VFX, and like also how to understand like the folder structures and everything in just one quick course, which is free introductory course for you to be able to check and see the platform and see if you like it and see if you're going to enjoy the next courses that are more advanced. And that's mostly it. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into it.